Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about set in Python. In the last class I have discussed about list and tuples. The next concept is set. So here if we want to represent a group of unique values as a single entity, then we should go for set. So in the list also we can represent group of individual digits. In tuples also we can represent group of individual digits. The difference between list, tuple and set is set does not allow duplicate values. Set stores only unique values, but list can store the duplicate values and tuples can store duplicate values. The difference between tuple and list is the list in the list we can insert the elements, we can delete the elements. Lists are known as mutable, whereas tuples are known as immutable. We cannot perform insertion operations and deletion operations in tuples, whereas set is used to store only unique values. It does not allow duplicate values. Okay, so duplicate values are not allowed in set. Set allows heterogeneous elements. We can store different types of data. We can store integer, we can store float, we can store string. So set allows different types of data, heterogeneous elements of data. Okay, set objects are mutable. Once we create set objects, we can perform any changes in that object based on our requirement. We can perform insertion operations, we can perform deletion operations, and set also allows union, intersection and set difference operations. Okay, so we can perform any operations on that object. We can represent set elements within curly braces and with comma separator. We can represent set elements within curly braces. For list we represent elements square brackets. For tuples we represent elements in parentheses. Okay, so parenthesis is for tuples, square brackets for list, and next flower braces for set. Okay, so this is the example of set. So creation of set, if you want to create the set you need to use curly braces. Okay, so one more point. So set does not allow indexing and slicing. So in set it does not allow indexing and slicing. So normally in list and tuples it contains a positive index as well as negative index. Yes, but in set it does not allow positive index as well as negative index. Index is not possible in set. Okay, so here we represented elements. S is equals to, S is a variable. Okay, it stores 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so if you want to see the, if you want to print the elements in the set, then you need to use print S. So it will display the elements 40, 10, 20, 30. So we given elements like this 10, 20, 30, 40, but the result is 40, 10, 20, 30 because in set there is no indexing. Okay, so that's why elements are printed randomly. Okay, next if you want to print, if you want to know the type of this set, you can use type of S. Type of function is used to give the name of data type. Okay, so here the data type is set. One more point, set does not allow duplicate values. So here 10, 20, 30, 30. If you print the S value, it will print 10, 20, 30 only. So 30 is repeated 2 times. Duplicate values are not allowed in set. So that's why it will print only 10, 20, 30. Okay. Next. So important functions of set. So sets are known as mutable. Means we can perform insertion operations as well as deletion operation. So if you want to add one more element into the set, then you need to use add function. Add of x. X is some specific element. So add item x to the set. Add item x to the set. So here set contains 10, 20, 30. Next I want to insert one more element. So that's why s dot add of 40. So I want to insert 40. Okay. So next if you print, the elements will be 40, 10, 20, 30. Okay. So element is inserted at random place because there is no indexing. So that's why element is inserted at a random place. Next, so add function is used to add only one element into the set. So if you want to insert more elements, multiple elements into the set, then you need to use update function. Update of x comma y comma z. X is element, y is element, and z is a element. To add multiple items to the set, arguments are not individual elements and these are iterable objects will be added to the set. So you cannot add individual element into the set. You need to use iterable objects. So that's why s is equals to 10, 20, 30. S contain 10, 20, 30. Next, I want to add some more elements. So that's why s dot update of. So here one more function, that is range. Range is a function. So here range contain 5. So that's why it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So up to 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements. Okay. So if you want 0 to 5, then you need to use range of 6. Then it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So in this way. Range contains 0 to 4 elements. So s dot update of range 5. So we are inserting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the set. So if you print, the output will be displayed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the remaining elements 10, 20, 30. These elements are added into the set by using update function. So if you want to insert one element, you can use add. If you want to insert multiple items, you need to use update. Okay. Next function is copy function. So copy function is used to copy the elements of one set to another set. So here first set, S set contains 10, 20, 30. Okay. So I want to copy S to S1. S1 is one more set. Okay. So S dot copy. So whatever the elements in set, those are copied to S1. So if you print S1, the elements will be 10, 20, 30. Okay. So copy element is used to copy one set of elements to another set. Next function is pop function. Pop function is used to remove and return some random element. Okay. Because no indexing and slicing is there in set, so that's why it will delete some random element. Okay. So s is equals to 10, 20, 30. Print s dot pop. So it will pop out some random element. What is random? Random means unpredictable. Okay. So random element means unpredictable. The deleted element may be 10, 20, 30, whatever it may be. Okay. So here the deleted element is 10. Okay. Next function is remove. Remove of x. So pop function is used to remove some random element, but remove function is used to delete one specific element. Okay. So it removes a specified element from the set. So I want to delete 10 element from the set. So that's why print s dot remove of 10. It will print 20, 30. The 10 element will be removed. Okay. Next function is clear. So here pop function is used to remove one element. Remove function is used to remove specified element, and clear function is used to clear all the set elements. Okay. It will remove every element in the set. It removes all elements from set. S is equals to 10, 20, 30. If you use clear function, if you print the S, the answer will be none. It will print none. No elements are there in set. Okay. So in this way you can delete all the elements in the set. So some more mathematical operations on set. We can perform these mathematical operations on set. These are the functions, union function. So first of all, union function. Union function is used to return all elements present in both the sets. Okay, so see this example. For suppose S contain 10, 20. Okay, next S1 contain 30, 40. So if you want to combine both sets, then you need to use S dot union of S1. Okay, so S dot union of S1. So these two are combined and stored in S. Okay, so if you print S value, print S, it will display 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so union function is used to combine two sets. Okay, next one is intersection. So intersection is used to return common elements in both sets. Okay, so here it will return all elements in both sets. Intersection is used to return common elements in both sets. For example, S contain 1, 2, 3. Okay, S1 contain 2, 3, 4. So if you use S dot intersection of S1, okay, so if you print S, the S will store only common elements. Those are 2, 3. Only 2, 3 are 2, 3 will be displayed. Next one is difference. So here intersection is used to return common elements, but difference is used to return the elements present in first set but not in second set. Okay, so see this example. S contain, same example, 1, 2, 3, and S1 contain 2, 3, 4. Now if you display, if you use S dot difference of S1, so the S will store print of S. So what is the output? It will display only 1 because the difference element in both sets is 1 only. Okay, so if you use S1 dot difference of S, then what is the output? It will display 4. Okay, so see one more time. Union function is used to display all the elements present in both sets. The intersection function is used to display common elements in both sets. The difference function is used to display elements present in first set but not in second set. Okay, so these are the functions, important functions in set. Okay, so normally set is used to store unique values. Okay, because list allows duplicate values, tuples allows duplicate values, but if you want to store only unique values, you need to use set. So the difference is list and tuple allows indexing. They contain a positive index values as well as negative index values. In set there is no indexing, there is no positive indexing, there is no negative indexing. Okay, so I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.